All right, guys. So we just finished the job, and I want to show you what my lunch is like, since you probably don't know what I eat. But so I'm bulking right now, obviously. So I have rice, chicken, and asparagus on here. That's good, bro. And I made it spicy, so. It's the important thing about eating healthy, you know, bulking. Most people bulk and eat whatever they want, but I try to make it as healthy as I can and just eat more of it, you know. Some chicken right there, you know what I'm saying? Good stuff. I love this asparagus. I don't know if it's like, I mean, it seems like a vegetable, I guess. So probably don't have any protein, but this chicken sure does. Good stuff, bro. See, I'm gonna show you something. Just in my water, because I'm on 75 hard right now, and I gotta drink a gallon of water a day, so I'm that far through, and it's about 12, so noon. So yeah, figured I'd film a little video while my boss went in to meet the customer. So being sneaky out here, you know what I'm saying? This stuff is good though. But we just finished the job, so do whatever I want now, basically. So, funny thing about my boss is he never has like social media, any of that kind of stuff, so you'll never see it. Oh, a big piece of chicken right there. But yeah. So you guys saw that gate we just did. Gate operator. That's what we do for work. So yeah. You know, pretty simple. Not super hard work, you know. Not really as hard as construction, but it is physical work, so it's kind of like gym almost, but not really. So, but it's good because I get exercise, paid for it, you know. So, good. I'm trying to bulk, not exactly like Sam Sulek with the chocolate milk and the donuts. I'm not gonna bulk as much as he is, but I'm trying to bulk right now. So, any tips on food? Oh shoot! You guys got any tips on food I can make so I can meal prep? Let me know, because that'd be handy, super handy. So, the next video should be a gym video. I go to the gym every day. I just don't film every day, just because some days I go with my dad, and I just like to work out with him. So, but this asparagus is good stuff. You gotta try it. Because the way I look at bulking, I don't eat just trash. I eat a whole bunch of clean food like this. Should be pretty clean, pretty healthy. No sauce or any of that stuff. Super healthy. I just eat a lot of it. And so I'm bulking up right now, working at it. So you guys got any tips, let me know. So oh shoot. This might be a shorter video, just because I'm not really talking on the way back in here, just because the boss is along, you know. It's whatever, you know. So figured I'd show you kind of what I eat, you know, for lunch. And I meal prep this. If you go to like Walmart, this is $3.50 a meal, so super good. All right, so basically now I'm gonna go and show you kind of what we did for work. I'm kind of just gonna do a voiceover, just so you guys kind of can actually hear and know what we installed today. So, but I'll do a voiceover on it and just record the video quietly. But I'll see you there. All right, guys, this is the operator right here. There's the arm connects to the post. Here's a box. And then we ran a wire all the way down the fence that connected to the solar panel up here. Mounted it to a bracket we welded to the fence. There it is. Walking back, let me show you. Here's the photo eye that looks across and senses if there's something in the gate's way. Here's the antenna to connect with the remotes and the keypads. There's the gate itself. And then here is one of the keypads on the inside. There you go, guys. I thought I would just give you guys an outro for this video. So that's kind of the day in the life of a construction worker. And it's not exactly construction, but I can call it construction because it's physical work. But so guys, I just want to tell you, I am starting a clothing brand. It's called Unlimited, or I think something like Unlimited. I think that's what it's called. But anyway, I'll link it down in the description down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. So if you made it this far through the video, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I will be uploading again in the future. Probably the next video will be a gym video. So, and I am bulking. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.